We've all been here before. Managing a hose in a busy garden can be a pain. And let's face it, sometimes the thought of putting away the hose makes me not want to water when I should. Today, we're going to show you a new product we installed at the community garden that makes watering so much easier. Check out this Hoselink retractable hose.
Voila.
We came down the other day and got the post hole dug and the cement poured and the post set, and now we have another sunny day and Bill and I are so excited to install this Hoselink here at the community garden. Only one person at the community garden knows that we're getting this amazing retractable hose, so I can't wait to surprise everyone because I know it's going to make such a big impact on being able to water more easily, and hopefully it even means that people will be able to come out here more frequently and water their plots more frequently because it's going to be so easy. When we got here just this afternoon, you can see that this hose is just laying on the ground, a big jumble, because it's always such a pain in the butt to put away. And I know a lot of people just drop by here on their way home from work just to water things real quick, or people are here with their kids and they're trying to get their kids out of here and just don't have the time to wrap the hose up. Or it could be that their mobility is limited and wrapping up the hose is a little bit difficult, especially when it's so unwieldy. This whole process is probably only going to take Bill and I maybe 20 minutes to finish, and we're going to show you just how easy it is, and then we're going to show you what an impact it makes on the ease of using the hose and watering our garden. So in the box, there's this template that you can use to pre-drill your holes, or to just, lay out where you're going to be drilling your holes to install the bracket that you'll hang the Hoselink on top of. So we're gonna get that figured out. If you're new to our channel, this is the community garden where we keep our chickens. We just got these chickens over the winter, and the church that hosts this community garden was so kind to let us keep chickens on one of the plots. So we couldn't be more thrilled. We used to have chickens in a prior home we lived in, but now we live in a homeowners association that doesn't allow chickens, and we are so excited to be able to have these, and it's been such a blessing to have our boys be able to take part in raising chickens. So they're just down here on one of our plots, hanging out.
Right, the mount is set. These things are so easy to install. She's right, they got this on really good. I'm hoping we don't have to go back and get a pipe wrench. Claws. Don't tell my wife, I'm using her hat. Try and get some grip.
What you doing with my hat? That is a very special hat. Yeah, I'll find you something else.
Got it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, and I sometimes forget. Go.
No way. All right, y'all. This is the moment of truth. Here it comes. Flip that yellow nozzle up.
It says open.
Oh, okay. Just kidding. All right. Bill, why don't you do the honors and go water the onions down by the chickens? Look at that. It rotates.
It pivots too.
So we can pivot. It can pivot down that way, or it can pivot the opposite way.
I think we can turn it up a little more and get more pressure. I didn't turn it up enough.
The hose comes with a really nice sprayer nozzle. Has, those 8 different settings or whatever, however many it has, I'm not quite sure. But it's a very nice high quality setting, and it also comes with a quick connect fitting so that you can fit it to a sprinkler or another type of device you want to use at the end. So while we're here, might as well just do a quick little tour of our plots. You can see the chicken run back there. That's a 10 by 20 enclosed little shelter. And then here, this next plot, we've got onions, tomatillos, tomatoes in the back, green beans at the base of those fence panels to go up and over the chicken run. And then currently our junk pile plot, this is Bruce the giant pumpkin plot. It's going to be planted soon. Angel, where are you going? Where are you going, Angel?
Something yummy to eat.
You see that hose? Yeah, we're not going to need that hose anymore. We're not going to need that tangle of mess on the ground anymore. I'm going to be spreading wood chips as a mulch all over here. I've got one more tomatillo plant to plant. I didn't have quite enough the other day when I was here planting. And once I get that planted, I'm going to mulch over all of that with wood chips. And a little bit here in the onions. And this plot will be ready to rock.
And this is why we love this so much. Voila. Gotta love it.
Thanks for installing that, honey.
You bet. I like easy projects.
And it really truly is an easy project. It's so easy to install. We went from a heaping mess of hose on the ground that was a pain in the butt to wind up on this little hose hanger to this amazing, incredibly helpful retractable hose made by Hoselink. This hose is 82 feet long. It came with an amazing sprayer nozzle. It has probably about 8 different settings on it. It also has a quick connect so that you can connect to a hose or any other sort of watering device. We are so thankful to Hoselink for sending this to our community garden as a donation to growing food for our community. Thank you, Hoselink, so much from the bottom of my heart for donating this product, because it is going to be a lifesaver, and I know that everyone in the garden is going to appreciate it. If you're thinking about getting a retractable hose, Hoselink is amazing. They're very high quality product, super durable, and very helpful. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Thanks to my husband Bill for installing this Hoselink here and the one at our house. We couldn't be more grateful. And if you are interested in Hoselink, go ahead and search them up on Google. They've got a lot of different products. It is well worth the money. And if you are tired of rolling up your hose or having your hose hanging around your driveway or wherever it is, this is your solution. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our gardening here at the community garden or at our home that's just up the street, click subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get updates every time we release a new video. Have a great day.